Lost him right there. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's one of those rare days in Blackwater where I get a spot all to myself. It's a stormy day. Storms keep passing through, so I'm sitting in the car between storms. Got my rods right out here in front of me and my bobbers out here to the side. I keep an eye on everything. It's a pretty nice setup for a day like today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section down below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Fish, big fish, catfish. Oh, good snake, good snake. That was a nice snake. Snagged him. Good snake. Hell yeah. He's pushing, he's at least 2 feet long. Oh yeah. Right in there. That's where I want it. Right in there. Right in that little cut. It's I knew there'd be a fish in there. Right in that little cut. Jesus, another decent one. Wow. I saw the bubbles and he just sat there with it. Another 20-incher, 22-incher. Got one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a catfish, damn it.
I was gonna get this Philly sauce, like that's on Weight Watchers too, but then I was like, I found the Gyoza dipping sauce. That's gonna be probably like milder, you know?
Baby, I got a fish.
Okay.
Holy crap. Oh, I lost it. Little blue cat.